Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Galaxy A8 2018 versus the A7 2017. It's time to find out how good is the new Galaxy A8 2018 compared to the previous model, which was actually one of my favorite phones of 2017. I really liked it. Still have an amazing battery life, which is one of the main reasons why I love this phone so much. It's like a Galaxy S7 Plus. So yeah, let's test out the speed. But before we begin, I want to remind you that the giveaway for the A8 2018 is up on the channel. To enter this giveaway, you have to subscribe to this channel, give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment below. And so many people ask me when the winner will be announced. It's going to be announced on February 20th. So let's start off with the boot up comparison. Here we go. And let me remind you guys that both phones are actually on the same software version, so Android 7.1 Nougat with the Experience UI 8.5 is up and running. And of course, this year they have made the processor more awesome with performance as well as great with the battery life. The RAM management has been amazing on both A8 and A8 Plus. So the A7, of course, it has the same processor as the A5, so you can get that idea as well. You can see the boot up speed, it is faster. About like 5-4 seconds faster than the previous A7. So everything is closed up in the background, nothing is opened, and you can see the main core difference between these two phones is definitely the display. We have the Infinity design without the edge, so it's a flat Infinity display with some amount of bezel, but it does look better than the Galaxy A7. I mean, after using the A8 for some time, the A7 feels like a little bit different because of the bezels, so like an old TV. But I mean, it's not that bad. You still have good 1080p display. Enough talking, let's start with the first application, which is Phone Dialer. Here we go. And Samsung Galaxy A8 winner. That was the first app. Moving on to settings. Again, Samsung Galaxy A8. Moving on to some third-party applications, starting off with the Subway Surfer game. Let's see how good they are with the game loading time. So Galaxy A8, wow, it is done, and the A7 is still taking some time. If you guys don't know, I've already done a battery drain test on the channel, so you can check that out on the channel if you haven't. Moving on to the next game, which is going to be the pinout game. So let's see. Again, Samsung Galaxy A8, just a tiny bit ahead there. Got this Play Store thing popped up. Spotify. And Samsung Galaxy A8. So far, A8 has won every single application. Load times, we're going to go ahead and launch Quora. And that is about the same on both phones, just a little bit faster on the A8. Play Store. And again, a little bit faster on the Galaxy A8. SoundCloud. Again, same result. Twitter. Let's launch Instagram. And okay, feels like faster on the A8 with the latest feed. Let's see my profile. And about the same. Lastly, we'll be launching the cameras at the same time. So here we go. And the Galaxy A8 is faster again. So pretty much flawless performance on the Samsung Galaxy A8 when it comes to apps opening. So we're gonna move on towards the browser war. For that, I'm using the default internet browser. First website we have is going to be www.com. And okay, Galaxy A7, first one on the website. Also loading the content first. Can it finish? Let's see, both are at the end, but the Galaxy A8 finishes off first. The A7 was the first one on the website, but finishes up late. But yeah, you can say it's kind of like a draw, but scrolling and everything looks pretty smooth on both phones. Zooming in and out, super smooth. Next up, we got Wikipedia.org, and the Galaxy A8, just like that, faster with the website A7 right behind. Now let's do the RAM management test, and this is where the A7, I remember, was not that good. Let's see how things are changed with the 7.0 or 7.1 Nougat. So Phone Dialer, that is still there. Settings, and there we go. The first refresh, Subway Surfers, and it's still there on both phones, which is nice. Moving on to Pinout. That is super nice. Both phones kept there. Spotify, Quora, Play Store, SoundCloud, Twitter, and that's got refreshed on the Samsung Galaxy A7. Instagram, still there. And lastly, we're back to the browsers. So yeah, guys, that was a speed test comparison between the A8 versus the A7. The performance has definitely been improved, as well as the RAM management. I have not seen any refresh with the A8 so far in all the speed tests that I've done. So I will be comparing it to some more phones, and a camera test will be up pretty soon. And then I'll be doing my full review. So make sure to subscribe for all that content. Again, giveaway is still up. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.